palm is looking nice. You see it?
They're not quite ready yet.
Oh, they're not quite ready?
They are. They're getting ready.
Oh. When would they normally be ready?
This is about 3 months.
3 months?
Yeah. So tomato, mwezi moja. Around April.
Around what?
April.
April. Ah. And this is cabbage. Oh. Oh, that's a pumpkin.
Yo.
What is he cutting?
I'm telling you the thing you carve on Thanksgiving instead of Halloween. It's like, how come? No, sorry. Halloween, not Thanksgiving.
But what is that he's cutting? What is that?
That's a pumpkin thing.
Oh, that's from pumpkin.
Yeah. It just ain't round, but yeah, that's it.
Oh.
It's not orange either.
The pumpkin. Oh! Philly.
Which one?
Ho ho! Look, they're much bigger. Wow! Wow! They're nice. Let's see here. Huh? It looks like a tree tomato. Quick question. Are these tree tomatoes or persimmons? What are these? This one.
That one is vegetable.
Oh, it's a vegetable? What kind of vegetable? Because they're farming into something.
This one?
This one.
Yes, that is a vegetable. This one is these are seeds. I
Ah.
don't know the name in English.
Okay, say it in Swahili.
This naitwa potea kidogo. Kisamopita.
Samopita?
He actually said, it's somewhat bitter.
It is not.
Ah, samopita. Okay. What is that you're plowing?
This one.
Yeah.
This one.
Yes.
This is oh
Oh, it's still pili pili hoho.
yes.
Ah.
That line, this one, and this one.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, this is yuca. Yuca.
What about this? Some version of sweet potatoes.
Really?
Yeah.
This is a version of sweet potato? Or this one?
This the one right here.
Yeah, because I'm like, that looks like that.
That's
Okay.
the same thing over there.
Okay, this is a version of sweet potatoes.
Our sweet potatoes.
Oh, and then this is cassava.
Henry, banana.
No, mamuk yod.
Mamu.
Mamuk yod na nini? Ndoma.
Noma.
Doma.
Arrow Road, right?
Arrowroot. Ah. So all of these are either cassava, arrowroot, or sweet potato. Correct? All on this side. Okay. 2 Corinthians 5:17. Therefore, if anyone is in Christ, the new creation has come, the old has gone, the new is here. Now think of a butterfly.
What is it?
Huh?
You can buy almost a day.
Avocado is in the season.
Really?
You remember how expensive it is out there?
Yeah, it's really expensive in the U.S.
They come from Mexico. don't they?
Avocado.
Mexico.
Yeah, most of them do anyway.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, we gotta get some of these avocados.
I know.
But they're not ripe.
Not quite yet.
But they're almost there. Wow, this is a pomegranate tree. I've never seen one in person. I did, but I guess I didn't realize it was. Wow. I want a pomegranate tree too. I'm telling Jeff all the plants that I want.
We're gonna have a big yard engine.
Oh yeah, we have to.
Jeff, what if there's a pink lady?
Oh no, we need to grow an apple tree. Oh, look at the apples, they're growing. The apples.
It's hot.
Ah, beautiful. These are apples.